Hey guys, Essence here. I apologize for the watermark in advance. I'll try and fix that by...
You know what? That could be what I want to be, is what my mom told me. Nothing tastes better than warm... Do I have to leave this escape pod, or can I just stay in it?
You can just stay in it.
Will I get hurt?
I have no idea, you should try it out.
It's the fucking meta, then.
Why did you get out?
I don't know. Because then you're just gonna die like you do every time? And then I'm gonna be left in the escape pod alone.
I'm literally using one punch, man. Alright, I gotta get this energy drink.
See, you literally just fist everybody into oblivion.
Say what?
Watch. You don't even see their health bar.
Okay, The Rock. You might as well just remove the health bar, because if you punch them, they're dead anyways.
Look at my super attack.
Oh, I can't even look at you right now. You died the last 2 games, and I'm losing my voice the further into this gaming session we get because of the amount of dying you're doing.
I'm level 2 and I do 364 damage.
Really?
Yep.
I sit at a solid 30 for the first 4 rounds, so... There's a shop over here.
What's in it?
A ruby, fireworks, and a medkit.
I need the ruby, I need the ruby, I need that ruby.
Well, come cop it.
I'm a melee character, and the ruby's for melee.
Ooh. That's all it's for?
I picked up the item you needed the most.
What? Well, then I want the ruby then.
The ruby has no use to you.
You know what? It doesn't matter. I just want to win. What?
Did you not see me go flying?
No.
I V-hopped off the edge of the map.
Ha! Gay!
I like cheese.
Look at this, what are you doing?
I just thought I'd go AFK for a second, let you just, you know, be self-confident.
I fell off the map, so I mean...
You should stop doing that. It'd be for your best. There's a thing tickling me and I can't find the... Trying to set up my fucking webcam and then these things are like, nah, man.
I just one punched 3 things.
Oh, I just literally just got punched by Elsa. Holy shit.
Elsa?
Elsa, Frozen Ball.
I can one punch those guys, Jacob.
No, you're lying.
I fell off the map again.
Stop doing that.
Keep
It's
V-hopping
so
off the map.
annoying when you die.
I got a garbage bag. Jacob.
What?
This. I got a green item for you. Oh, look at that. A shop. Come get the maracas.
Hold on, my webcam freaking died. Stay, and I'm dead. Oh no! Aiden, pick Jacob's back. Aiden, please.
I won't lie, I got tired of editing after this part, but thank you guys for watching. Keep watching and like.
Please, you don't understand the things I've been through, the things I've seen. Holy shit! Where's the maraca you wanted me to have?
Right here.
You probably, like, there should be a restriction on this game for people above the age of 80, because they'd probably have a heart attack and die. What's this blast shower do?
That's completely pointless.
Why would you want
It
this?
gets rid of all negative side
I
effects.
know, I just read it. And what's this, like, shocky boy here?
I do 100 damage a swing and around 800 a punch. Watch, I can one punch this guy.
Oh, goodbye, Felicia.
Let's get some more items, because, you know, we're not strong enough.
Well, I can take away all my negative effects, so we basically win the game.
Come grab this.
Okay, Dad. Drop a war banner on leveling up. A bing bong bang. She touch on my wang. I looked over there already, big boy. Did you look up?
I'm going up right now, big boy.
Stinky boom boom.
What do you think regarding all these buildings around?
Stinky boopy. Ah ha ha.
Jacob's already looked up here. There's also like 9 items.
I have 2 items. Not even trying to flex. I know you're jealous.
I have 5. I found 2 healing drones and a gunner drone. Alright.
This should have been the freaking Sonic model for the movie. Holy cow.
Start it up, boys. Boss
No,
time.
no, no, no! I'm just trying to chill and enjoy the landscape, Aiden. Oh, I'm dead! I'm dead! I'm dead! I'm dead! Oh, wow! That's a bit of fall damage, eh, buddy? I'm just gonna title this video Ear Rape Warning. Like, you might not want to watch this later than 10 o'clock at night.
Damn, carry.
You know what? Hey, One Punch Man, but I'm over here throwing toothpicks at my enemies, so... Elsa just came on me. Dun, dun. So I want to stay inside of the red area, correct?
Yes.
I didn't realize how important that was until I needed to activate the portal before. Don't worry though, I can negate all of my negative effects.
And I can just solo the boss, it's alright.
Wow, be like
Alright.
that.
Oh, guillotines. Give those.
Do I take one?
Take one, yes. Okay, so now you have a guy constantly guarding you, which is this guy right here. He looks like the people on the sand map.
Oh, he's a big thick
Also,
boy.
I can pretty much one-punch any special character. Because I have 2 guillotines. Was there even any shrines on this map? Because I didn't see any.
I literally do the equivalent of shoving throwing pebbles at Dwayne Johnson's bicep. It's
You do 10 damage.
yeah, it's so annoying.
I do 800.
You know what? No one asked, okay? I don't remember asking. A maraca! Oh, never mind, that was you.
Oh, wait, why did you buy that again?
I didn't.
Yes, you did.
I literally am still broke, okay? I had no money before and I don't anymore, so I don't know what you're talking about. Why? How did my face cam get all the way up there? What do you even mean?
Why do you keep buying the lunar thing?
I didn't.
You did, though.
I'm getting framed.
Alright, so we got bad, 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 and bad.
Okay, hold on. I have to answer a text or solo. Oh, okay. I don't even need to fight here anyways. Oh, maybe I should jump off the edge.
There's literally nothing to buy here. Alright, I jumped off the edge. I'm immune to fall damage anyways. Don't start the portal yet. I'm gonna get you a secret item. Oh, I missed it.
You saw nothing, webcam?
What were you saying?
I'm trying to get a secret item, but I missed it. There, I'll just fall all the way down.
Webcam falls back
Jacob,
every
I'm inside the map. Jacob, I'm inside. I'm
why?
stuck in the ground. You gotta.
Why?
I no clipped through the floor. Look
Don't
down. Look down.
don't tell me I have to solo.
No, there's no mobs. Oh, I got launched.
Okay, I can punch this desk pretty hard.
All right. I'm a solo.
Wait, where are you?
Start the portal. I got the book.
What portal?
The blue one.
I'm colorblind.
I got the Easter egg. Alright, One Punch Man this.
Hold on, how long is this recording
Oh, okay,
going on for?
Jacob.
Oh, this is 10 minutes. Ad revenue. See you guys. Thanks for watching.
I am just kidding. I am not a money-hungry little buggerhead, and I would never do that to my viewers. So thank you guys very much for watching formally, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you want to see more, please let me know. Sorry about the huge-ass watermark. That is what Filmora does to my videos. So I'm going to try and find a different editing software that doesn't have one that covers the entire screen. Thank you. Have a good day, boy.